beautiful before this flood. The only area where there's no water is the road and the building. And the whole city is covered with water. Hey, look at those cars. And those ladies trying to walk out of the water. Even the pathway is full of water. Look. Look out there. So horrible. Let me show you one more thing. Be right back.
Not like that.
Now, that's the place under our building. It's so clean, but look at the whole city. Just look at it, it's full. Look at those cars, they're drowned. They're all drowned. They're always so small. It's also half drowned. See the cars. That little taxi, if you can see over there, it's all drowned. Let me take you to a much better place, which is nowhere in the city right now. So take a look at my area. Look, the water's on the pathways. People trying to walk. They're trying to walk, I tell you. The cars. All the cars on the footpath. That place. All the things are drowned. Next place.